Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to do an easy DIY and it's just a floating desk. This is the space that we're going to be working in. So to get started, I measured up the wall 28 inches and then I used the level to draw a straight line. With my stud finder, I found where I needed to screw the brace into the wall. And now I went ahead and I cut two pieces the same length, and then I cut a few of the support pieces. I believe I used 4. And I went ahead and I glued and screwed everything together so that it was nice and strong and sturdy. And I also marked where my studs were before drilling on the braces, so I was sure to leave room to secure this to the wall. And this is just 2x2 pieces that you can get at Home Depot, and it's nice and solid. It's not too thick. I think you don't want to use a 2x4 because a 2x4 would be too wide, but a 2x2 would be perfect. It's perfect. It's what I used. So with some wood screws, and I made sure to countersink my screws so that of course it laid completely flush to the wall. And I went ahead and I started the screw, put my first screw in, used my level, made sure it was straight, and continued on with the second one. And I did 2 screws in each spot. So here you can see me securing it again to the stud, keeping my level in place so I can make sure it is nice and straight. So what I did was I measured how big I needed my whiteboard to be. So this here is laminated whiteboard, which you can find at your local hardware store. I got this from Home Depot, and it's over near where you would find the select pine. And I just had some extra scrap pieces that I used, and I made that into trim. So this is the brace that you can see here, nice and level, and there is the finished result. So I hope that you like it. If you have any questions at all, please leave it in the comments below, and I would love to answer them. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.